Good morning, everyone. Our video today is about factoring and solving quadratic equations. Let's see the first example. Here we have which of these show the following expression factored completely. We want to factor this expression or this trinomial. Okay, if you remember the method that we use to factor the trinomial, we multiply the coefficient of x squared or the leading coefficient with the constant. We multiply them together. 6 times 5, 30, and put it up. Then the coefficient of the middle term, put it down. Now we think about two numbers. If you multiply together, we got 30, and if we add them, the sum will be negative 13. Take a minute, try to think about the two numbers. If you multiply, their product will be 30. Yes, 3 times 10 give you 30. But if we add them, 3 and 10 give you positive 13, not negative. So the trick here is to make it both of these numbers negative. Negative 3 and negative 10. If we multiply negative 3 times negative 10, negative times negative, positive 30. And if we add them, negative 10 plus negative 3 give you negative 13. Okay? And we will put up here the first term without the power. That means we'll put 6x up here and 6x here. Okay? Now what are the two factors we have? Okay, I will write it here. 6x minus 10 times, 1 minute. Okay, 6x minus 10, and the second term is 6x minus 3. You know that we have to reduce this or to simplify these numbers. The first 6 and 10, the first factor, we have 6 and 10, we can divide by 2. It will be 3x minus 10 divided to 5. The second, 6 and 3 can be divided by 3. 6 divided 3, 2x, and 3 divided by 3, 1. Look for these factors, these two factors, 3x minus 5 and 2x minus 1. Yes, this is the second option here. This is the correct answer. This is uh, the factors for this expression. Let's see another example for solving the quadratic equation. We have the equation x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. We want to solve this equation. You have to know what is the difference between solving equation and factor. Solve means find the value of x, okay? But to solve here or to find the value of x, we have to factor first. This trinomial, so we will try to factor it first, okay? The coefficient or the leading coefficient is 1 multiplied by the constant give you 12, and we have the middle term here 8, put it down, and then your turn to think about two numbers. If you multiply, give you 12, and if you add them, you got 8. I think you know the answer. It's 2 times 6. 2 times 6, 12, and 2 plus 6, 8. Okay, what we will put up here? Yes, the variable without the power, x. This give you the two factors. The first one x plus 2, the second x plus 6. This is not the answer. We just factored the equation. Now we have to find the value of x. Okay, we have two factors. If we multiply them, give you 0. Then maybe the first one equals 0 or the second equals 0. Okay, solve these two linear equations. Subtract 2. I know that's easy for you to solve linear equations. X equals negative 2, and this is the first value for x. Subtract 6, x equals negative 6, and this is the second value. We have two values for x, that means we have two solutions. Any of these solution, negative 2 or negative 6, will be true or will make this equation true. If you plug in for x equal negative 2 or x equal negative 6, you will get 0. Okay, and another thing you have to remember that this equation is quadratic equation. If you graph it, it will be a parabola open up because the coefficient of x squared is positive, and it will cut the x-axis at these 2 points, negative 2 and, sorry, fix this, negative 2 and negative 6, and the graph would be like this. Okay, I hope that you remembered how to solve the quadratic equation and to factor a trinomial. Okay, if you have any problems, please let me know. Have a good day. Bye.